Well, Colorado just cannot catch a break from COVID cases. Several counties continue to have high case counts, and more patients are entering the hospital. The latest update from the state shows 323 people are in the hospital right now. Half of them are vaccinated. This comes as some of the youngest Coloradans will have the chance to get that shot if their parents choose. Those under 5 to 6 months old are now eligible for the COVID vaccine. Karen Morfitt has been following this trial process for this age group since the beginning. And Karen, you were able to reconnect with some of those in the study.
Yeah, Karen, and they are very excited about reaching this point. The researchers, nurses, and of course those families who signed up to be a part of the trial for the Moderna vaccine. It was really their efforts that helped get us to this point where now parents of anyone 6 months to 5 years old can now sign up or schedule an appointment for their children at a local pharmacy to get that COVID vaccine.
The rollout of vaccines for children under the age of 5 has begun, a moment many families have been waiting for. Nicole Poole, unknowingly one of them.
We are now moving forward with getting Arlo a real vaccine.
We first met Poole and her infant son Arlo in February while they were in the midst of the Moderna vaccine trial.
Being able to get into this study in the first place was at least something I felt like I could do.
During that time, Arlo contracted COVID, and while suspicious, Poole was told Arlo in fact was given a placebo.
I'm grateful that we had the opportunity to contribute and maybe helped get it through to the rest of the little ones.
Dr. Myron Levin with the Colorado School of Medicine helped lead that research.
There is a lot of effort put into the safety issue because one of the fears of parents, we don't know enough about it in children.
Their data helping lead to FDA and CDC approval, and ideally, he says, more of a green light from parents.
Their benefits far exceed the risks. There are risks. There are risks with every vaccine, but they're very, very, very small.
For Poole, who just celebrated Arlo's first birthday, his health is the top priority, and for her family, that means getting the vaccine.
Keeping the people who are higher risk in our family safer because of Arlo being more protected.
Now, administering these vaccines will be done much like some of the older children that we've seen already go through this process. Many of them have been provided through pediatricians, and we know that local pharmacies like Walgreens here are also going to be administering them as well. And we did look online. They have several appointments available for this week. We're live tonight in Wheat Ridge. Karen Morfitt covering Colorado First.